On clicking on specification, if you find no spec here, so we have to add that. Hello friends, welcome back to another lecture. So in this lecture I will tell you how we can add the spec if you create a new project. While routing or while we go to the piping task, then if you route any pipeline, then you may get the error in your screen that no part found in catalog data. Then we have to add the spec in that, so it will be visible there. Okay, so for that what we have to do, go to the task and go to the system and specification. Then here we can add the spec in there. So whatever the project or the plant we created, click on that, then go to this option here, define allowed specification. So click on that. Then here you find different types of spec. Like in cable way, you can check the spec, or spec name is this, and this will be description. Okay, so also there are the piping spec in that, so we can also choose the piping spec like this. There are different types of piping spec which are reloaded in smartplant 3D. We have to add that. And until we didn't add that, did not visible in your piping task. So we will add that all spec one by one. You can add here by using this add all option, or you can add by using this also. Click on your required spec and click on the add button. Okay, in this way you can add each and every spec like this. Two spec added, and I will add this conduit also. Okay, so you can add by using this all button also. Okay, so after adding spec, you can also check the spec visible here, and now last we have to click on the OK. Then we will see, go to the task and go to the piping. Now we will route any one pipe. Let's see the spec is visible there or not. Just click here. Okay, here you find different types of spec added successfully in our piping. And for such more upcoming video regarding smartplant, you can also subscribe my channel also. Also you can visit my previous lecture. I already uploaded 29 lectures on this channel. Please visit them.